Welcome to Casino 7095 Airgun Reviews. My name is Gary. On this channel I do reviews on PCPs, CO2s, replicas, and accessories. Okay, another in my series of replica reviews. This one is on the SIG Sauer P226. Little history on it. Back in 1987, the FBI was in the market for a new issue gun. They tested 13 different guns. Top two was the number one was the Smith & Wesson 645 and the SIG P226. By the time they got around to putting in an order from Smith & Wesson, went out of production on the 645, so SIG got the contract. It was the standard issue for FBI until I think just last year they switched over to Glocks. It's still issue weapon for NCIS, Secret Service, and many police departments and federal bureaus. So much for the history. Let me go over the gun itself. Okay, this is manufactured. See if the lighting right by SIG Sauer. Got all the SIG Sauer markings on it. It's a heavy gun. Weighs 2.55 pounds. Is 8.85 inches long. This version is a smoothbore 177 BB. SIG has discontinued manufacturing of this, and they now are supposed to be manufacturing a pellet version that uses a belt. I checked on Pyramid Air and all the other sites, and it's back ordered with no date, no coming. Said it's a nice gun. It's all metal with the exception of the grips. Release button on the side, drop out the magazine. Magazine is a hefty magazine. CO2 goes to the bottom with a standard Allen key to tighten it up. Slide down. BBs doesn't have a loading dock on here. When you slide it down, you load the BBs through the front on the top. Fixed sights. Full slide. I have no BBs in it right now. I'll double check to make sure again. See, empty. Empty, locks back. Release is right on the side. Safety is right here in the back. Operate with a thumb, and it is on both sides, so lefties can operate it too. Okay, that's about it on covering it. I'm going to do some shooting now. I'm not going to chronograph it. I'm just going to do some target shooting with it. Okay, let me do a little target work and see if I can do this without killing the victim. Okay. I'll have to pause here for a minute because I'm out of BBs. Good time to show you how we load this. Bring it back and you insert them from the front. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, we seem to have run into a problem. Let me pause while I take a look at this. Okay, let's try that again. I had a BB jammed, so it prevented the slide from going all the way forward. Well, I didn't kill the hostage. As you saw, I had a little trouble with this. I had to do a little editing in the video to keep it PG rated. As far as what happened is I got a BB jammed in the chamber. This has been sitting for a while. I didn't clean it and move it before I started. Takedown on this is really easy. It's a little lever right here on the side. You slide it all the way back. Take the magazine out first. Slide it all the way back. And that lever comes, let's see if you can, slides all the way down. And it just comes apart. That way you can get into the frame and into the slide. On the slide, this you push in and it'll come out, and then you can slide the barrel out. But it's easy to get in here, blow it out, loop it up, put it back together, line up to two pieces. Easier said than done. There we go. And then push it all the way back. And push that little detent back up again. Slide it forward. And that's all there is to disassembling. Okay, my final reviews. I said from the beginning, this is the BB version. Unfortunately, it's no longer in production. They do produce the pellet version, which doesn't have a full-size magazine. It's basically a narrow magazine with a belt in it. Both Pyramid Air and Airgun Depot show it as being back ordered. I went on the SIG site, and the pellet version they say is available. You got to put it in your zip code, and they'll let you know whether they can ship it to your area. SIG makes a quality replica. I wish they would make more replicas of their guns. I don't know why they're not, but you may be able to still find some of these around secondhand, or eventually they'll get in stock the pellet version. So for now, happy shooting.